Hi, Mr. Writer. So I thought a quick little video might help a little bit. So when Owen goes to his Google Classroom page and he can access it through his waffle, and obviously he knows how to get there, he should see all his classes set up. It's obviously going to look different than mine. But for classes that he was on with the red team that he is no longer with, if he clicks these three little dots here, it gives him the option to archive. Some of them actually, let me find one to show you where I'm a student in. You can unenroll, which is what he would need to do. He should then be looking for this pink, hot pink one for Mrs. Meyer. That's his math class. He should have an invite to sixth grade green team. I'll double check that one. He will also need the social studies Google Meet. The cohort A, Mrs. Gus, this one he did join. And then there's sixth grade ELA with Mrs. Egloff and myself. There is also then from Mr. Mascio, it will be a Monday, Thursday. I think he's in class 1 with Mr. Mascio. So it would say class 1, Monday and Thursday. Mr. Mascio, that's his science class. If I can be of any more help, please don't hesitate to reach out. I know I've sent some new invites out to Owen for the classes to see if that helps.